Hello everyone, in this opportunity we will presenting about Unreal Clubs. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce our group member. So the first is Aldelia Arianti Maratia, and then Enda Dwi Lestari, and then Muhammadida Pratama, and then Ahadi Wira Satriaji, and Andika Maulana. For the first topic, will present by Muhammadida Pratama. Muhammadida Pratama, the time is
for a company profile of clubs. Unreal Clubs is a lifestyle retail store based in Bandar Lampung. Started in 2018 as an online store. Unreal Clubs expanding the business in the middle of 2019 with opening flagship store in Pahoman, Bandar Lampung. As a store, their aim is to become a provider of curated multi-brand clothing, accessories, and sneakers. Unreal Clubs as a brand and as a store remains unique in its brand identity, its culture, its level of service, and as a space, men and women can both find the best worldwide created selection. Unreal Club's principles and values has been taken big part of our heart. We strive to in we strive to operating values more than just ideal. We live them every day in dealing with customer and our team in store. The fundamental aspects in every store is the integrity and trust. We are honorable in everything we do. The reputation is always built on respect for others. Exemplary behavior and trust always takes place in us. As a fresh store, we are bringing new spirit and new cultural to this developing market. We strive for success by always aiming higher and exceeding expectations.
Okay, the next I will explain about the key component of e-commerce business model. The first is about value proposition. Unreal Club is a lifestyle retail store based in Bandar Lampung, and Unreal Club is a supplier of multi-brand clothing, accessories, and sneakers, which it is to meet customer needs. And then the reason why Unreal Club customer want to buy product here is because this store remain unique in its brand identity, its culture, its level of service, and as a space men and women can both find the best of a worldwide created selection of goods. The second is revenue model. Unreal Club earn revenue our provides through customer who make purchases to the store directly. And then, however, because of COVID-19 pandemic, Unreal Club has experienced a decline in their product sales. Therefore, it is necessary to innovate so that their product sales are stable again. One way is to use internet. One way is to use internet technology. It is undeniable that many people in Indonesia use e-commerce purchases, and that is also what Unreal Club needs to do to get profit back. And now the company has opened an online store on Tokopedia so that customer can make purchases online without go to the store directly. And then the third is market opportunity. Unreal Club sell products that are usually worn by young people, such as multi-brand clothing, accessories, and sneakers. Therefore, the market opportunities that Unreal Club will target are young people, both men and women. And then the fourth is competitive environment. The competitor of Unreal Club is C59. It's Kaladi 59, which is a similar business based in Bandung. The difference that they also sell is jersey, jacket, pants, and merchandise. But for market share, indeed, C59 can be said to be superior to Unreal Clubs. However, both are MSME businesses that sell product with good quality. And then the price offered is also quite different from Unreal Clubs, which for t-shirt is cheaper at C59, but for accessories and jacket, the price is more expensive in the range of 250,000 rupiah. And then the next is competitive advantage. The difference from Unreal Club and C59 is the price. The price of t-shirt at Unreal Club is indeed more expensive than C59. However, for the quality and design, Unreal Club is superior because the t-shirt from C59 has a more plain design. And then the next is market strategy. Unreal Club sell not only through in-store shopping, but also through e-commerce such as Tokopedia, which makes it easier for customers to make purchases anywhere and anytime. In addition, they also sell products with unique design and affordable prices. And then the next is organization development. The organization structure owned by Unreal Club is the top level of the company structure is the owner. And then the second highest rank is manager, divided into two divisions, namely department management, human resource, and operation manager. Every division manages staff according to the department led by and is responsible for planning and evaluating company activities. And then the next is management team. For management team, needed by Unreal Club is someone who has a high sense of responsibility and conscience because the business activities carried out by Unreal Clubs require regular check and control on product availability, whether they are still available or stock is empty, then manage their subordinates, whether they are reliable and whether the tasks they do are done properly. And don't forget to check the problem of cleanliness of good, tidiness, etc. And then the next will be explained by my friend.
All right, thank you. So I would like to explain about the B2C or B2B business model. So as we know that it has two types of business model. It is B2C and B2B. So the Unreal itself has chosen to apply the B2C business model because Unreal Clubs directly markets its product to customer directly. Unreal Clubs takes a B2C approach so that their products can reach customer quite quickly. Unreal Clubs provide a physical store that can be easily visited by customer to be able to see and try their products directly in the store. In addition, Unreal Clubs takes a broader approach by expanding the name of its store to third parties platform, such as online store. So this aims to reach a wider and wider share so that the introductions of Unreal Clubs products can be known by many parties. Next, please. Okay, next topics will be explained by Adia.
Okay, I will explain about the key business concepts and strategies applicable to e-commerce. So the industry structure. The industry structure is talking about the threat that Unreal Clubs face, like changing the basis of competition among rivals. So Unreal Clubs haven't making a mobile app. Since they're a sizable business, they still don't have its own app. And then the barriers to entry. Unreal Clubs have to face a lot of barriers to enter the industry because in Bandar Lampung, there are many retail stores before them. Next slide, please. And then the threat of new substitute products. There might be new substitute products with lower price available in another store or market in the same industry. And then the strength of suppliers. The suppliers might have given an uncertain price when selling their supplies to Unreal Clubs. And then the bargaining power of buyers. Unreal Clubs have given the best price to consumers on their products with high quality products and good services. Unreal Clubs might have something that cannot handle by them, but there's a way to do that. And then in industry value chain, this is the set of activities that Unreal Clubs done. In the buy side, there are suppliers, warehouse, vendor, and product analytics. And then in the sell side is sales channels and operations, customer relationship management. Next will be explained by my friend.
And in the firm value chains, the primary activities, there are 5 primary activities. First one is logistic, and then second, operation and production. The third, logistic. Fourth, marketing. The fifth, service. And for the support activities, there are four groups. The first group is supervisor, human resource management, coordinator, management information system. Next, for the business strategy, Unreal Clubs is a sizable business that still doesn't have its own mobile app. Their sales through existing commerce restrict them from entering all their products into the application because the marketplace will take an admin for every successful transaction 2% of the original price of the goods sold. Therefore, showcasing their products on their own mobile app is the business sales and opportunities and increase customer touch points. Application make customer service simpler and more efficient process for businesses. Help build a customer information to target customer through advertising and make recommendation based on past cases. The internet connection is getting wider in all parts of Indonesia at an affordable price. Online payment service make it easy for transfer via ATM and banking and COD. Make it easy to provide testimonials in the form of feedback, in the form of criticism, and suggestions before and after purchase. Billions of people have made cases online. People been online. They are living the traditional way of shopping for clothes from physical stores and starting to buy online. Therefore, in order to sell products and earn large income, we can't just wait for customers to come to the store. We must do what competitors have done by letting customers buy the offered products when where they want.
So that's all from us. That's all the explanation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.